My name is Ashley with Granville Homes, and I'm here to help educate you about the certified grade of the land around your home. The California Building Code requirements for drainage now mandate the builders to incorporate swales or low channels in the ground throughout the yard to divert any water flow away from your home and neighboring homes and to direct it towards the street. A civil engineer and a survey crew calculate the finished grades of the property and determine the swales that are needed. Then they stake the swale grades to guide landscape installation. Once the landscape is installed, the survey crew returns to verify the grading was done correctly. If it's correct, then the lot becomes certified. Remember that each lot is unique, so depending on the size and the shape of your lot, the swales on your property may be more pronounced than what you viewed within the model home. In areas where swales are steeper, such as on your side yards, you may notice that there are gaps under the front fence or the gate. Please do not fill in these gaps with dirt or cement. However, you may add chicken wire or river rock under the fence to prevent pets from escaping the yard while still allowing water to flow out to the street. For more information on certified grade, please see your sales contract and homeowner guide.